was for a juicy news. Bema Obibia Aquaba. Latest hot Aqua Eramede Bremo. Now, answer and something in Abebano, so we now subscribe. Bomodia say, over subscribe to channel. Now, while like video, give us a thumbs up. Nafi, Sheba, Wofufro, so that when you be here now, and somewhere Koso, Ewo, Ghana, Bemoadam. Afi, you share a year and somewhere Abeto, Yaponoso. Yinti a year, some Kumoya, Ababetuja, Yinti a year, Sasabi, Mighty.
Asemi ya wada to be just to say NK, I am no kakra.
Ade.
Abena ye krom ha sei.
O maimu.
Ye o maimu. Ani ni memra ye de bae Act 959. The same Act 2017 and establish officers Office of the Special Prosecutor. Na juma ne say. The juma ne say obi a obo kro no o man mu ha bia no. Oni ndi. One set up committee where almost vete Martin Amidu, the first appointee to that office. I'll call vetting, you know who vetting a basso, and it your year. And today, you know, high expectations say, one with this special prosecutor office, our banody. Problems are, ye bo am crofo bokrono, anubecha. Abena, OSP no koye ya brabe kachire ye nsembi keka nsembi fa o mampanyi na Akufo Addo mpo ho se o mane kwan manye nyane djuma na ne djuma a oye no o mampanyi na Akufo Addo ne nsa hye kukuo nu na o kachire o mampanyi se esansa anti wagye djuma no ena mate na medudu na djuma no to ho a ye di djuma no ma Kisi Agyaben obi amfoso Omanpeyini na Akufo Addo se onfa djuma no ma Kisi Agyaben onno omanpeyini na kasa ena ohunu se obetuma ye djuma no de djuma no hye nsa ye de djuma no hye nsa ye hwe enwoma cases awadi akire wadi Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited GRA contract wadi akire ECG and Beijing Technology Limited contract termination wadi akire National Cathedral Project wadi akire procurement of ambulances with DHR, GRA tax funds account with DHR, Minerals Income Investment Fund with DHR, Ghana Airport Company Limited fraud with DHR, Ghana Education Service fraud with DHR, illegal mining galamsey with DHR, Bank of Ghana misappropriation of funds with DHR. Owiye, NOD Cecilia Dapaa, yada sorry ya. Na Minister of State se sika guni diamond passia ma made on ne tie ewia $1.6 million ema onu ankasa ko police station ko report here minister ankasa o ko report here no o mo de nsem ne ko court ema man papa no eye madam Cecilia Dapaa no kunu ko court no hwasa ko ka je court o say our former maid has become a millionaire in our house. Abena sansem we nyina OSP investigating nsem we nyina maboboy si nyina be 14 to 20 under the MPP administration corruption kwa odi nsem we nyina ko court ma wentumi amfa koto anyan kwan sa na eka no abena sasa na eka no wentumi amfa koto anyan kwan ebie ni ho a de ye me ya ni Cecilia Dapaa di o sizi Cecilia Dapaa ni sika e sizi na freezing account e sizi nyoma bi ye wi ani eja Cecilia Dapaa obi o si ni maid e wi ana ba ye billionaire hwe ni maid no tumi ko eyi sika ekoto e dan wo trasaco $150,000 me ba titi sika kana o fa no ho no
eno chese aban sika
sika na gu Cecilia Dapaa
eno chese aban sika
sika na gu Cecilia Dapaa ne dem na wan dia
Cecilia Dapaa o ye djuma o ECOWAS
anasa
United Nations wa ye djuma Cecilia Dapaa ye djuma since 1980
Kofi
ni kunye one of the biggest architects in the country.
Kofi me feel so bedi huni
Yes
all my reasons no wan ka
we are scared na matoni general
Kofi wan ka se ni kunu aye
nkwanchan argument be no. The first says Kado Obi dem chese abansika.
Oh say
narrative no
yes, it's not
narrative there.
Enya abansika.
Because me see made no see Cecilia Dapaa ni made e we sika no ne boss no ho no pass no or the sika be koto dan $150,000
no say ban sika
okay me can say be say akwala ni we sika o sisa Dapaa ni dem offer $150,000 oh stop this behavior or the $150,000 ekoto
argument
made
incident
yeah this is Dapaa no cause Cecilia Dapaa say or ye ne kun ne wo fa bi yi and the more onya sa millions of dollars no and odi go ne pass ye de ne call court ye ntumi anya wo hwe asa me kan me nka say obi afa obi zia na obi zika or na the tangential issue
you are paying to park across the 2 million na
abina sama me kan nyina ne say OSP din san sem wo nyina come of all the heightened expectations ni nyina no ntumi nya prosecution bia na when asem we ba parliament ye debate asem that day wo hwe tia no don pray minority leader fe no mark ni mu nyina wo mu nyina say special prosecutor na djuma na o ye no yasesa no ne afọ before from bra me ye wo mu amofi say ye gya no ne cases a all prosecuting on we ansa na wako me that is my opinion, personal opinion. Enti I don't support say mun yen sack ni here but ye discuss asem no parliament no and a majority leader no ka say wo the petition beba esan say na juma all year a special prosecutor no enso ani that is individual perception and we file private member motion is that not it or no individual private not government or we buy anymore or man pay John Mahama na president but or say special prosecutor na juma all year no me ne nya age me pese me de mra ekọ am ye yi na firi ho
no and a minority no so say at what point and who say senti or draft sa bill no e dey akose enyi office in
at what point say
at what point to say because special prosecutor eche eyora Martin Kweku that is the reason to majority
abina maka nsem bebre before Martin Kweku na sem na arrest na beba no na nkofo petition did asi eyi nfiri wana wonje one no watete a file petition for the removal of the special prosecutor nkofo file petition the very day almost submitted petition the the president say ye Charlotte say na OSP dey account
say no OSP dey no petition ko ma deputy attorney general Justice James so post one say yeah the petition about
thank you Abraham kasa menchero Martin Kweku say OSP Kisi Agyaben extra letter the command the former deputy finance minister Edubuahene say on tua some $40,000 bi enko to ono account him and Martin Kweku ka say sa sika no say eko special prosecutor na account mu aya bank of it
the account of this office of the special
thank you say cost her account him but the letter no through the command Edubuahene no o say yem tua sa sika ni begu ono
ne personal
account a chronobo a corruption related or corruption
satana office ni account so
me nimpo nana ya me nim
obi bisa
so we special prosecutor now person obi tie say sika bi now say say sika ni yentua ngu personal account mu instead of the account of the state na no na Martin Kweku raise asem we and o kan nsem wo TV so mini aba say wo fi say won ne nya adwene a de say wo ye ne say wo de no court say we gu hu fie na wo de wo office and I wo de che Martin Kweku say we allegation of corruption against you a 1% confondity wo chire na wo jojo no sabi me fi say de Kisi Agyaben ye sabi
on tua na cash na say on fan to account mo on tua na cash ma no
o say it on tua gu na account no
yes on tua cash na ma no
da be on tua gu on ni personal account mo and Martin Kweku say sisa sika no eko OSP account enya wo account because saban the budget ba na e sika na ma wa ye mfa ma wo ankasa ye de ko gu account mu no wa ka draw anamboa nti die nti na so ka say $40,000 ni fa go to account him nti Martin Kweku na se mo de ba ye no a e dey problem ne ba ye ni nyina ni na we ti wo chi ni pa ko no
na the issue of defamation
I yes in court
no kochi.
And no kochi Martin Kweku Jojo no detaining no. Sebi. Beba. Oh, coffee.
The la kasam enche wudi sinti me so wie.
We say sir. And no dey assembly na buy. Now when na majority leader afale private member motion say ye OSP office ni firo. And no man penyin no te akonya no say there be me no na party mu. Now so me feel said ye wo ye no a wo say ye ni firo there be ye betumi asesa OSP no. Oh, OSP ni betumi asesa no. Na ya bi na ya osapo aba be hye wa na say da bena aba be hye wa na say de kofi aba be hye ho. But so waka say ye office ni mfiri ho dia me ne wo nya adwene and to step down.
Now mampanyine aka say betumi asesa the person in charge of the office and as say premature the only thing is almost speed their prosecution.
I mean when somebody says it is premature it means that the person has different ideas.
Early say but
too early. And so to say you are scrapping the whole office, the president His Excellency says let's hold on until such a time that we feel there is the need for us to do the change. Yeah, in some debate no yeah no MPP for nankasa wo parliament. E ka say you change OSP. All of them say Dafia Makpone, Honorable Dafia Makpo, any Honorable Mahamadu Bawumia should resign because all the private member motion koyema president say on you.
Obia sending information said me incorrect or say the letter did not state say the money should be paid into Kisi's accounts. But rather no, for cash no and run office.
Oh, anybody, Kisi Agyaben throw the pakuni say, oh, can't you now? Ben say, okay, say for cash, but I brought him now. Pazuka.
Some me bisa.
As well,
Sikanwa Kisi Agyaben throw come ala si o ka se ye sikanu famre no
na na hu
say on my way Kisi Agyaben sa asem we say no krea oguni mu ase papa obi a wo fight corruption na wo ye de wo ye we no na Sammy darko no na mo ye defend all these things. The rest of Martin Kweku was needless and senseless.
And you know so na atimi agye.
And no na majority leader no in the SFI say ejuma ye de share won san won tumi nye.
But the last come to think of it. Eye OSP enye ora Martin Kweku nko a na wacheche na nti.
Makasi Dapaa de.
Me ba enu nti ebetimi awante say majority now do mo intensify see and scrap a office no. Nti the minority no so can say in a way no ora Martin Kweku is sympathizer of the NDC. Do you think say no so ye another reason to yama majority?
Let us see. Abena asema we be say 2016 ye nyina ye hu Martin Kweku wo TV so TV3 odi ni MPP odi ni MPP card
della
MPP card di chere Ghana nyina so
MPP member we
oye
Kevin tell across MPP obi ka say MPP ni anenche so MPP ni
na so
eso ye fake ni someone here we no asha that MPP
actually na kasa ya house.
Oh, so correct. Correct.
Della me so kan wasem na si. Ebrene na ye wie o.
Abena.
Ye wie.
Ye nyina ehu Martin Kweku so TV so. Okita sa card na odan ha ni card.
Me see later because wonye MPP ni bi.
O so ojai so onye MPP ni fine. Enti o kan hu me ye de MPP ba power in 2016. Only NDC card. And he has never said it anywhere so NDC card. Only bi. But our MPP card. Into be him so your MPP no dey buy. And office a member na Akufo Addo bebu en e yetro kan yetan and osesa na dwere and na one support wo mo bio enti se na MPP for ka se esan se honorable Mahamadu Bawumia any honorable Dafia Meko the private motion call ya o man penisi ye mfiri wonti wo mo resign they are chasing menti o kana mo a wonti ase o menti ase ye nyina me fi se ya special prosecutor new officer at the right time the president will take the right decision all of us will be happy with. At the right time the president of the republic will take the right decision. I don't think say he will ever scrap that office, but I think say if Kisi Agyaben does not live up to expectation he could be removed.
Okay.
Abna, may correct information be the ladder anya no kre. Information be minority no and can say OSP no yenye ne da. Anya no kre. Honorable Afenyo, a leader, on a ship, another honorable, among cancer. Point of correction.
Mama Shasin free Honomo Kofi. ECOWAS unanimously endorses President Mahama for African Union chairperson.
Meda say, Ansana me pa hono. Abna corruption semono. Enye sebi ye de two bi so anache se okobo krono na so ye bibia enye. Eni nti na court any procedure any processes are de suspects FM ewo hono. It is the fact say Mama Cecilia Dapaa obi bo ni din so de na court akohwe say obi di fo a eno nkire say ye bo ni din na waye boni bia ni nti no ye de beto no so attack na Mama na bobra Wesley Girls Papa B University of Ghana Papa B
French language what 20 million
I want me can so tell you me can educational background
but Dela me my young Kensi so say Mama no we yesi
I don't want to yes ka
I want to know what until I want to know what
into yes
so the court and go see
yeah Mama me
I retreat
Abena me appointee of the president now honorable Ochina tete pacho now Ochina bi you will say me $2 million I will mean pass here wa bra me salary for 8 years and do say sika na me
hold on it is a court now to me eco prove the NT amago sika doesn't make you a chief
if you could prove uncle prove me uncle prove
I tell an attorney general no
uncle prove
granted say OSP no is in bed with FNS MPP into were protected Honorable Cecilia Dapaa when he should have been prosecuted or found guilty in court. What prevents the Attorney General and the other security agencies from taking her on?
The issue I have had with this matter, why the money in the house,
exactly,
and not how she got the money.
Exactly,
because
I don't know any discussion.
Or on a private enterprises.
Sir?
But why she kept the money at home in that volume? What I didn't hear idea me the anything could have happened.
You knew for more maybe 2-3 million.
Me they have always questioned it. They won't go for. They won't go for.
Hey, it is the first thing you know. The fact say the panel aban djuma no enkyere say
Kofi Misro
yes Mama na bobra ni kwa bobra when Cecilia is one of the best female political CVs in this country.
Jai Sansemon Kika.
Or the CEO, or the board chairman, or the deputy minister, or Bobra, international organization. Honorable Ato Forson didn't go to court. And so there, ya people na so wa anyem boni bia. Etike didn't go to court no kay mo no hu kronfo na kay mu nanim asese de moye no. Hwempanifo MPP for do ko court. Ye bubu for ebi atua, ebi agye atum. Ebi nso wo ha o maba honorable and Thompson mo ne o mo maka no so upunimu nyina o maba fie. Anything else except blanketly. Mo sorry once ye beka so be a suspect ye nhwemu on hono na mo de to no so afore no say be nipa na ko mo yes you are making politics unattractive and it is a dent and yes I'm saying
because
I am say we chere Ghana how are you a beacon of democracy in the sub-region and Africa at large?
You see, no 2 minutes, your time now.
Because Osha, President Rawlings, ECOWAS chairman. President Akufo, ECOWAS chairman. I'm say President Mills time, and ECOWAS chairmanship. President Mahama, ECOWAS chairman, and President Akufo Addo, ECOWAS chairman. Your democracy in Africa, it is an envy of the sub-region. Osha say the coup, Francophone countries, coup near the 8 years we back, 4 years we back now. Yeah, young Kososa President Akufo so yeah AU chair from 2007 to 2008. You didn't see Susa the President Mahama, so you didn't see second term on Sunya AU chair. And see President Mahama, but so near bon pie say ECOWAS from the Nekwa, Yakotono Swabana, Obenya. Now yes, second president after President Akufo no so babe EU chair no aboa ama ye democracy na African continent no so akoso na after any other trade and economic interventions akoso nyina no so no watimi leverage na aboa Ghana na economy no akonani.
Okay, Dela.
Abena Meda say when him say before me come as a kitwebi. When him say OSP remover, nipa 2 prominent MPP members. And you obiti say Honorable Sam Okudzeto, no advisor to the president under the MPP administration 8 years. Or when you set up the OSP office. About Bontina Babe Kase, and Bramuno fee say, and Chay na and for so be any office no yin through. Honorable Sam, yeah. Honorable Sam Okudzeto. A tossing ye Honorable Mike Okwe.
For lawyer, so no
lawyer Sam Okudzeto.
Say Akokrano.
And now
the question foreign minister.
Honorable Mike Okwe, Speaker of Parliament. Ono na ye Speaker of Parliament ma ye pass the bill. Also the Act 959/2017 at the OSP office by ordinary speaker. Or ye MPP ni ma enne or say sa office no fa so bi no. Matumi no. Ya asemu abeto dwa wo se yenka ne ye ECOWAS ai mpanyifo ayam mpanyini nyina se no 2027. Na se wo mo po bi manakwa akoye African Union President. Nipa wo chairman wa. Nipa wo mo pe no. Se onkonko di wo manim eyo omampani John Mahama. Di entina West African leaders nyina. Ebe hia ne akase ye pese omampani John Mahama. Eko gina ye nyina ya name wa Africa as African leader. A chance wo mahunu bibi. Wo mahunu se oyobi a opempuntuo oye peace negotiator say BBC amania won say oko ha kakra so ani ampa basa bisi cool be crazy other African countries are wakwa interventions until he has shown leadership into one because he has shown leadership. Now member obu na the second, he's the most prepared president at the moment. Osha member man penjo Mahama obu no obi abenu se Ukraine Ghana fo nyina ye ni so de oye. And to say African leaders who they all ye na say are nominating say ya endorse say ono na onkonko gina ya name wo African Union e be feel say empire ne ebebo say ebeba so pepepe na obekwa akɔhye Africa fo nyina ena onyam.
Okay, yo nana
abna
I don't need idea na pesa.
I was saying we data be na
Dela. So china sem ho kra de na. Miso na
meka assembly Dela ni kufidi no so was say establish the fact that Papa Kufu Dieko was twice. I was here established that
Kufu did twice
or did 2 times.
Yeah, I'm saying Kufu did twice.
Well, I mean,
Kufu did twice. He was re-elected. Yeah,
Kufu was re-elected.
Kufu did twice.
But you see, one thing that is playing well for Ghana, your political stability.
Yeah.
Yeah, African countries are Kenya. Or mobile elections are.
Yeah.
Any a year at that one, so we are seeing na she ni bisino. It me shut your economic crowd down.
Yeah.
But Ghana ha ye be kwa batwo crowd down. Na eye amount for so mumbra mehe.
Smooth transition.
Na 2024 elections and sana ye ba beto aba. Ye nya hoho bi a omo free African countries be eba
observers
be ye enye observers we omo be your private.
Okay.
I think somewhere in November mo ho baby. Na ye kotna say ye de omo call one of these Ghanaian local restaurants ba. Na Abranti bi oka ho. Question bi say me say am I very sure say ye kwa koto aba.
No, because I didn't know person.
No person see ye
curfew.
Come na ye tie radio wo card.
Yeah.
Na wo hwe se de nkofo etomane omampanyina woteso.
Yeah.
Na won so ano mu nia ba mu so omo so wa ba mu tomane opposition leader. Na they were like really baako de oka kire me say no krom a Gaza radio station no kra.
Yeah, closing it down.
Yeah, closing it down. The political stability of Ghana no a tom card. na wohwɛ sɛneɛ yɛamabuo ne yɛamanyɔsɛm yɛhyehyɛ no fa ɛne sɛ yɛato aba awie mpo na former presidents ɛda so wɔ ɔman no mu papa Kufuor Ghana ɛyɛ a na wɔte wɔn kɔɔ baabi a President Mahama yɛyii no 2017
14 to 16
na haya wankɔ baabi a Akufo Addo ɔno so nyame adom kroma ya na ɔwɔ ɛne nwia Ken na ɛkɔ but ha ne ɛwɔ what you say nti the stability
you can campaign for na Ken no the Ken no your president
I'm saying no a second president
ɛdɛ sɛ mo
de le gbam
na
what you say ɔno na ɛkɔ but ɛde ne bɛba obu sɛ obiara mfa nsanka obiara nti omo hwɛ sɛ de yamanyɔsɛm ne yamamu no kwa they always have that level of confidence in our people yeah na ohwɛ sɛnea ɔman no kora no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebefa from 2025 January wasomwa de akwa see neighboring countries no kra de bia na omu huru omo mpenifo
Benin and say
the ACC na economy na nka enam 17 cedis a dollar itimi atia amanaba
NDC campaign manager ubuza me so na kan come say
between 10.5 and 1100
na net ko bisa ko fi
so you before I'm na kan ma NDC
no mutu o mu fi
so mo NDC appendage
nti asemo na me o he senior your friend is saying credit ratings na nam 35 to 40 business atia about 20 something what you say the stability even in the media
heckling power
bueno
compare heckling
na bra make us nyina bam once me ja kra ma ya
okasa the level Ghana politics economy is admirable African countries they really admire say international conferences na se Ghana din na hwe nsemu a yaji na wotum say you are always proud to be a Ghanaian. Me di twato ye call conference bi mre bi o Ghana omo mo ba mu a kofi mu ne sezi oja yusu o afa bi ama president yo mo de bo mo poso coat of arm me say
na say was the other time
yes the bi na ye kotoko Asante mind na na bo mo poso o ko ye ko e na ye de bo na neighboring countries bi am person mo bo mo chese me nton ma no
eno no
keke me nton ma adan a se ye nam a obi amusa ye se ye free ho
I see
wo mo nam a se ni security for sure mo ho you understand even at trade conferences
democracy
that level of respect other countries no dey mind and of course this is an opportunity for President John Dramani Mahama say ya the man no nasa opotina kunya no so na obenya that opportunity no say wo de beka enyoma ekoso no na ama san kunkura etwa Ghana ho hye nyina no omama nyosem abeye fe abeye krabe se de Ghana de ayi
mate mpemfo mame enamase wo monim dia mo ya beboa enne.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.